Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox 100% CPU usage. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Roblox. Make sure the Roblox is running in the background. After that, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You just need to right click on the Roblox and select Go to Details. And now right click on the Roblox player beta.exe and select Set Priority and select High. Select Change Priority. After doing it, our problem should be fixed. Method 2 is for Windows 10 users. You just need to go to search menu and type background apps and it will open up like this background apps. Let the apps run in the background. You just need to toggle this to off position. After that, our problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.